Hello everyone, today we will discuss some extra questions related to the quadratic equation. These are the questions and these are previous year questions which are very important. So I will start with the first question, which is 4 root 3 x square 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Many students have problem with this number, like whenever there is a root in the quadratic equation they face some problems. Today we will try to solve that problem. That first question is 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 which is equal to 0. Now what we know, that a is equal to 4 root 3 and b is 5 and c is minus 2 root 3. We already know that using factorization method we multiply a and c, like a is 4 root 3 and c is minus 2 root 3. So what we get here, 8 multiply root 3 into root 3 will become 3. Okay, so we will get here minus 24. Okay, now this AC will be factorized, means this 24 will be factorized such that the sum of that factor will be equal to the 5. Okay, now I will write like 24 minus 24 is equal to 8 multiply minus 3. So here what we can see, that this is 2 factor for minus 24. If we subtract 3 from 8, what we will get here, 5, which is 5. Okay, so I will write the quadratic equation again. 4 root 3 here, 4 will be common from both the numbers. Root 3 x and plus, here it will remain 2 only. Now here from 3 and 2 root 3, what we can get the common? So I will explain it here, like 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. There is an x. Now 2 root 3 can be written as 2 into root 3. What we can take common? This is the root 3. Only root 3 will be taken common, so I will take root 3. And what will be remained here? In case of 3x, this part, what is remained here? Root 3 and x, because root 3 is taken common, so it will remain here root 3x. Now from 2 root 3, what will be remained? Root 3 is taken common, so here will be minus plus 2. Okay, so the solution will be root 3x plus 2 and 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0. X will be minus 2 root 3 and another value will be root 3 by 4. This is the solution for the first question. Now we will go to the next question. Next question says that x square minus root 2 plus 1x. Okay, here there is a problem. When we see the question, this is the issue. Okay, so there is a simple solution for this question. Question number 2 has a very simple solution. Just do it like x square and just expand it, minus 2 root, multiply x with root 2, so root 2x multiply x with 1, so we will get minus x, and the c part is root 2, which is 0. From here x minus root 2, and from here minus 1, so x minus root 2, so x will be 1 and root 2. This is very Simple. Now the question number 3. Okay, 3 and 4 are similar, so I will solve the 3 number question. Multiply the a part in question 3. A is root 3. What is b? B is minus 2 root 2. And what is c? C is minus 2 root 3. Okay, so multiply a and c. So ac is equal to root 3 into minus 2 root 3. What we get here? 2 into root 3 into root 3. What we get? 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6. Now the part b is factorize this into two parts, two factors, that we adding them we can get minus 2 root 2. So there is a 2 root 2 here and there is no root 2. So I have to bring root 2 in that number. So I will first factorize it like 3 into root 2, 3 into 2 and minus 3 multiply. We need root 2, so we don't factorize 3 into root 3. So I will factorize this number 2 because we need root 2. It can be written root 2 into root 2. So what we get here, if we write like minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 multiply root 2. There are two factors. Okay, now adding them, what we get? Minus 2 root 2. So I will write the quadratic equation again here. So root 3x square minus, it can be written as minus 3 root 2x and plus root 2x. Next is 2 root 3, which is equal to 0. Okay. So from these two we take root 3 common. So here root 3x will be taken common. Root 3x, what is remained here? X minus root 3 into root 2 and plus here root 2 will be taken common. What will be remained here? X minus root 2 into root 3. So watch carefully what I have done here. Here in this term there is root 3. So I will factorize it like root 3x square can be written as root 3 into x into x. This number means 3 root 2 can be written as. So in the above number there is a root 3. So in the lower number there should be root 3. So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 and root 2 is as it is. Now from both the number take common. What will be taken common here? Root 3, and there is another number x. Okay, so what is remained? If we take root 3 common and x common, it is remained with, here there is another x. In this term only remaining will be x, and in this term only remaining will be root 3 root 2. So what I have done here, like root 3x squared, in that place there is remaining part is x, and in the place of 3 root 2x, 3 root 2x, the remaining part is 3 root 2x, the remaining part is 3 root 3 root 2, root 3 root 2. So here root 3 root 2. Similarly here also, okay, root 2 is taken common because 2 can be written as root 2 multiply root 2. If we take 1 root 2 common, here only we have root 2 and root 3. So this is the solution root 3x plus root 2 and x minus root 3 into root 2 is equal to 0. So here x will be minus root 2 by root 3, and here another is x is equal to root 2 into root 3. Okay, now we will go to the next question, because question number 4 is similar to the 3. So we will go to the next question, like 5 number. In question 5, root 3x square plus 10x and plus 7 root 3. How we will solve it? Let's try. First I will write the question. Question number 5 here. Root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3, which is equal to 0. Simply multiply these two numbers. What we get here? Multiplying 7 root 3. Multiply root 3, we get 7 into 3, which is 21. Now there is a 10 here, so 10 can be written as 7 plus 3. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is 10, and 7 multiply 3 is 21. Both the value we can get. So root 3x square here plus 10 can be written as 7x plus 3x, and here as it is 7 root 3, which is 0. Now from here what we can take common? So reverse it. First I will reverse these two values, root 3x square plus 3x plus 7x and plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. From these two values, root 3 will be taken common, root 3x, and remaining value is x plus root 3. Now 7 is taken common, now x plus root 3 is equal to 0. So x have two values, first is minus root 3 and second will be minus 7 by root 3. This is the question number 5. Okay, now we will come to the question number 6. This is very important and very simple. We can solve it very easily. Just focus what is said in the question. Okay, first you have to write ABC from that quadratic equation. Find out what is ABC. If we find out ABC, the question says roots are equal. Remember it. Roots are equal, and prove that AD should be equal to BC. So roots are equal. We already discussed in the first video that when roots are equal, D should be 0, means discriminant should be 0, that is b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Now from this question, what is A? A is a square plus b square. Next we will talk about b. In the place of b, means leaving the value x, leaving this x part, all terms are b. So minus 2 into AC plus BD. C will be all the constant term or without the x term is C. So here C square D square. Okay. So we will put all the three values in this formula, because it is said roots are equal. So D should be equal to 0. So B square, first B is what? This whole term is B. So minus 2 AC plus BD whole square equal to 4 minus 4. What is A? A is A square plus B square. And what is C here? C square plus D square. which should be equal to 0. Now solving this part, okay, solving this part we get minus 2 whole square means it will become 4, and what is AC plus BD, it will become the whole square of AC plus BD. Take this part to the right side, which will be equal to the 4, multiply it or let it as it is, C square plus D square. Okay, now solve it further. Break it on the formula, A plus B ka whole square, A plus B whole square. So here what we can get, A square C square, this part, B square D square, square of this part, plus 2AB. Okay, so 2AC and BD. Okay, which is equal to 4 into, now A square plus B square, multiply both the term, we get A square, or leave it as it is, A square plus B square into C square plus D square. Now cancel the 4. I will write it again clearly, A square C square plus B square D square plus 2ACBD is equal to, now multiply it, A square C square plus A square D square plus B square C square and plus B square D square. Here some terms will be cancelled out, like A square C square cancelled, again B square D square is cancelled. Now what is remained, A square D square and B square C square. Remaining part is A square D square plus B square C square. This will be taken to the right side, so it will become minus 2AC BD is equal to 0. From here I will write it again like AD whole square minus BC whole square minus 2AD and BC. Okay, so this is the formula of A square minus B square. So it can be written as AD minus BC whole square is equal to 0. So removing the square, AD will be equal to BC. You got the proof? Okay. Similarly, if we solve the question number 7, okay, so we have to calculate x value, and the question number 8, it has equal roots. Find A. Equal roots means we will apply this discriminant value 0, so we can get the value of A. And question number 7, I will solve it now. This is easy question. You know, easy question is frequently asked for the basic math. It won't take that much space, so I will start with the question number 7 first. This value with x, take this part to the left side. Okay, so here A plus B plus x minus 1 by x, and what we get, what is remained on the right side is 1 by A plus 1 by B. Now solve it, taking the LCM, what we can get, x plus A plus B plus x. Now this term will be upper part, x minus A minus B minus x, which is equal to A plus B divided by AB. Here this part is cancelled, and taking minus common, what we get, minus A plus B, and here x into A plus B plus x, which is equal to A plus B divided by AB, cancel A plus B. Here we get minus 1 divided by x into A plus B plus x is equal to, what is remained here, 1 by AB. Now solving further means cross multiply this, Cross multiplying we get x into a plus b plus x is equal to minus ab. Now a plus bx and plus x square. Multiply this x to the whole, a plus b and x to the x. We get x multiply x square and x multiply a plus b plus bx. Here minus ab. Take it to the left side. So rearranging it, x square plus a plus bx and it will become ab, which is 0. So now elongate it or extend x square plus multiply a with x, ax plus b with x, bx and plus ab equal to 0. Okay, take common from these two, x plus a. Now second, here b will be common, which is x plus a is equal to 0. So from here x plus a and x plus b, which is equal to 0. So the value of x is minus a and minus b. So this is the solution of question number 7. These are the very important questions. So practice it yourself once more. Okay, and we will solve some other problems related to the next chapter in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.